Hey there, it's Zen the Crypto Queen. I have a Facebook page of the same name, XRP Crypto Queen on Twitter, and I am here with you today to talk about XRP and the IRS, okay? Because things changed in the United States of America in 2023, okay? Or actually, a few days ago, it will be full swing January 1, okay? Anyway, we're going to come over here and actually I am on crypto markets. Let me go to, this is on the daily HODL. Oh, I wanted to show you this. What is Bitcoin? What is blockchain? What does HODL mean? How to pay your bills with Bitcoin. There's a lot of things that can be addressed right here. If you're a brand new newbie, this is a great thing to just explore. What is blockchain, for instance? I mean, if you don't know what that means, or what blockchain is, you know, you got to do a little bit of your own research, and this is a great place to start. I'll show you another place. That's another great place to start. Let me see if I can find that site. I think this is it. Oops. Excuse me. I think this is it. Let's see if I'm right. Yes. Okay. No. Yeah. And it has what is Nasara Jasara. If you want to learn more about XRP, this is a great place to just, you know, there's several. They range from 5 minutes to 25 minutes. There's a couple that are an hour. But if you want to get an overview of the whole thing, here it is, qfs1776.com, okay? Or you can go to the Daily HODL over here and check out just beginner stuff right here. Real simple stuff. 1776 is a little bit more in depth about the XRP, XLM, XDC, all that, okay? And the quantum financial system, which actually harkens back to Bitcoin, okay? And now I just wanted to show you this, because this is what the IRS is doing in the United States of America. If you haven't been paying attention, you used to be able to put $9,999 into your bank account without alerting the IRS. Yes, it's for things like Venmo, Cash App, and other things, but they will get around to your bank account. Trust me on this. If they're passing shit like this, it's just a matter of time.
$100 threshold for Form 1099-K reports as part of the American Rescue Plan Act in March 2021. Now, how do you feel about that? That should drive you absolutely up the wall. You know how they talk about the rescue? They're here to rescue you? No, they're here to trap you, okay? There's so much to this story I want to line out in this video. So there's just so much to it to unravel literally the trap that they set before millions of Americans. Said scheduling it to take effect for tax year 2022. Until the change, platforms had to report to users income to the IRS if they had more than 200 transactions and $20,000 in revenue. Okay, that was the old rule. Yeah, that was the last. I mean, think about what a drastic difference. In 2021, you didn't have to report your earnings to the IRS if you had under 200 people pay you and under $20,000 in revenue. Now it's literally a flat over $600. You have to report to the IRS. That is a massive, massive change.
You heard it. You can listen to this one. I will send it. I will put it in the description box because it's definitely worth a watch if you are an American. Okay. So I just wanted to wrap it right there. Oh, actually, what I wanted to talk about was, as you can see, and this is not financial advice. I'm simply sharing what I'm doing. I do already have a big enough bag of XRP that I'm not worried about it. Don't even think about it too much. I'm not really watching the markets daily because, you know, regular investments or crypto or gold and silver, everything's a little erratic right now. I think you can see that 2023 is not going to be significantly better right away. So just be prepared. But part of my preparation is dedicating a certain amount of dollars to buying XRP and just putting them on my ledger. And that's it. So I'll wrap it right there. Thanks so much for listening, and I will chat with you on the next video. If you have any suggestions for videos that you would like to see, please put them down in the comments below. If you would like to book a one-on-one session, let me know. You can email me at zendevon@gmail.com. Please put in all uppercase crypto in the subject box. I get a lot of emails, so I don't want to miss it. Thank you so much. Chat with you soon. Love you all for being here with me. Ciao for now.